At the Quintana Boat Launch in Cypremort Point, Louisiana, Defy supplied advanced fiberglass grating solutions engineered for durability and marine performance. For this project, Defy provided 1.5-inch thick by 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch mini mesh panels featuring a pool grit surface, delivering superior slip resistance in wet coastal environments. Each panel was secured using 316 stainless steel hold-down clips and hardware, ensuring long-term corrosion resistance and structural integrity in saltwater conditions. The upgraded dock system replaces and elevates over 2,300 square feet of timber decking, raising the structure above high tide levels and improving long-term resilience against flooding and storm surge. Defy fiberglass structural products provide a lightweight, non-corrosive alternative to traditional materials, extending service life, reducing maintenance, and ensuring safety for years to come. Defy. Engineered strength. Proven performance.